The construction disputes practice at Aperture involves dealing with projects that are late, projects which are over budget, and projects which are alleged to have construction defects. A typical client is going to be general contractors, owners, lenders, developers, subcontractors, insurance companies, sureties, depending on the type of work that they need us to do. We analyze labor productivity trends and correlate them to other activities during the course of the project. We're going in and analyzing what happened, where did it happen, when did it happen, and how do we tell the story of these costs are irregular, these costs are not to be anticipated, and we figure out why that's the case. Was something happening on the job outside of client's control, outside the contractor's control, that just caused the project to be behind schedule, over budget, and caused the individual activity of work to be over budget as well.
So if a project has extended past their projected completion date, and clients or parties are arguing about who is responsible for those delays, then we get involved and assess who is responsible for each of those damages and allocate appropriately.
The projects we see are when the job is complete or nearly complete, and we are able to get the as-planned documents that they built the job off of, and then we can analyze those documents in a way that tells our client's story. It's factual, it's accurate, and it tells a story to a trier of fact or to an arbitration panel that can understand why our client did what our client did to get the project to where it is today. We tell the client's story by making it simple, by making it easy to understand, and by making it so that anyone can look at a graphic or read a paragraph and say, oh, this is what happened. To do that, we will take schedules, we'll take all the different documents that a construction project will produce, and we will boil it down to what really tells why this issue happened, and how do we make it so that anyone can understand that our client did what they had to do because of all of this other stuff happening, and the responsibility lies with the proper party.
Success to me is having a positive result for the client, meaning we wrote a report and they were able to settle prior to mediation, at mediation, or get a positive result in litigation that's a monetary result coming back to them. That's why most of the clients come back to us, because when they started the process, they were at zero and they ended with some positive amount. It's challenging, but it's rewarding. I like the consulting part of it to help people out. I think what's important to the industry is that there are people out there to assist them in recovering the loss, and we just do it better. And so by hiring us, they're getting a more in-depth experience level for the recovery. We've done this hundreds of times, and so we're bringing the knowledge of the industry to them to help them out.